Hey everyone, welcome back to Journey Tracks. Today we're exploring one of Riyadh's hidden gems, the Riyadh Oases, featuring the Cultural House and the Altaawun Public Library. It's the perfect family spot to unwind, learn, and connect with culture. So let's get started. As we arrived, the atmosphere was so peaceful. Surrounded by greenery, art installations, and walking paths, Riyadh Oases feels like a little escape right inside the city. Families were relaxing under the trees, kids playing, and the golden sunlight made everything glow beautifully. Our first stop? The Cultural House. Inside, we found creative exhibitions, workshops, and local art that celebrates Saudi heritage and innovation. Every corner told a story, from traditional crafts to modern design pieces. It's a wonderful place to inspire both kids and adults to appreciate art and culture in a whole new way. Next, we visited the Altaawun Public Library. It's quiet, cozy, and full of books for every age. Our kids love the children's reading section. Colorful, comfortable, and full of imagination. For parents, it's also a calm place to read, reflect, or even study. We ended our day with some family time, enjoying snacks, taking photos, and simply appreciating the calm environment. The Riyadh Oases truly offer something special, a blend of nature, knowledge, and community. It's a must-visit spot for families who love culture and peace. Thanks for joining us on this little adventure at the Cultural House and Altaawun Public Library. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more family journeys across Saudi Arabia. Only here on Journey Tracks.
Classic.